Hello mi amigos, this is Will and welcome to my channel. Akong gift ang ginala sa mga gulang, which is an early gift for me, and gusto ko siya unbox is because I know nga ini siya nga item gin launch ni siya last year, so damo-damo nang unboxing, so it's my privilege to unbox after I do it. So this is that it's an iPhone 10. It's from Dubai. It's just, if you see it right. This is Dubai. So let's start. Okay. It's my first time to have an expensive item ginhatag lang. Di as in ako niya iPhone 6. Dugay na yung almost 1 or 2 years na things sa plan. So nakakuha lang ko phone tungod may plan. Ginhatag niya sa kon magulang for the reason Christmas gift. So let's start! Okay. Nothing special. Muna ko ni-use ako nga vlogging outside kung like, syempre, I'm using DSLR Nikon D5100. So, full screen. So, namit siya kay you can see your face. This is my camera. I'm using a D1500. Okay. Okay guys. Need to focus on myself. May ID verification siya. So, transfer ko ako na, i-share ko ako na data direct from here to here. Pareho lang ang size nila actually. Medyo dako siya. Kamay man ang difference siya. In-sync ko na tan ko ngayon sa mga data direct. So, the thing is, my struggle today is kung paano ko ma-record ako music from my iPhone then to my MacBook Pro 2017. So, mabakal gid ko sa AUX or AUX na tawag ko na maka from this phone this earpods to my headset. Thank you for watching my video. Like, this is the unboxing of my early Christmas gift that is my iPhone 10. And thank you very much for tuning in on my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Adios, mi amigo!